How to use American Airlines miles. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and visit AA.com and log in to your AAdvantage loyalty account. Once you are logged in, search for available flights. Enter your desired flight details to search for available flights. Make sure that you check the Redeem Miles box to view award flight options. Now, review award flight options and find the award flight that appeals to you. Review all details including airport information, travel time, layover details, ticket type, and pricing details, including the number of miles and total fees. You can also filter your options or select the calendar view to see a month's worth of award fares. Now, confirm details and select the award flight that you want to book. Select your flight of choice to move on to the next step, and finally tap on the Continue button to begin with the checkout process. Once you tap on Continue, you will be able to confirm passenger details, select your seat, and begin the checkout process. And if you're booking an award flight with miles, you still need to pay taxes and fees. You will be prompted to choose a payment method, so enter payment details and complete the checkout process, and with this, your booking will be finalized. So, this is how you can use American Airlines miles. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.